too. So, what are the top three projects that you like right now that you would DCA in yourself?
Right now, I would definitely say Cardano. That's probably a little bit biased of me to say, right? All my content focuses on Cardano. But second to that, I would say probably the next two biggest assets, right? So these are no brainers, obviously, but I would say Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, granted, I think there are other layer two scaling solutions, i.e., Matic and Avalanche, which have done a lot in terms of partnerships and growth over the past few months. So I think those are all also pretty good options there.